Greetings and everyday phrases. Magandang araw po. Good day. Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Po and opo are used to respect older people or people with higher position. It also used when talking to a new acquaintance. Maganda is beautiful, umaga is morning, literal meaning is beautiful morning. Magandang tanghali po. Tanghali means noon. Maganda is beautiful. Literal meaning is beautiful noon. It is usually used when it is almost midday and until midday. Magandang hapon po. Good afternoon. Magandang gabi po. Good evening or good night. Gabi means night, but you don't say good night when you greet people in the evening. But in the Philippines, anytime in the night, you say, magandang gabi po. Salamat po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Walang anuman. You're welcome. Wala means none, nothing. Anuman is anything, so literal meaning, none, anything. Paumanhin. Excuse me. Ikinalulungkot ko. I'm sorry. Patawad. Forgive me. Dinaramdam ko. My apology. Oo, yes. Opo, yes with respect. Hindi, no. Hindi po, no with respect. Huwag, don't. Hindi ko alam. Slang, ewan ko. I don't know. Hindi bale na. Never mind. Bahala na. It's up to Dame Luck. Bahala na is an expression used when a situation is tight or you can't control what will happen but you have no choice but to face the reality. Ikaw bahala. It's up to you. Sige, okay. Naintindihan kita. I understand you. Hindi kita maintindihan. I can't understand you. Pakibagalan, slowly please. Naintindihan ko. I understand. Hindi ko maintindihan. I don't understand. Pakiulit, repeat please. Paki is a prefix which means please. Sayang, what a waste. Ako bahala, I'll take care of it. Aalis na ako, I'll be going. Paalam, goodbye. Hanggang sa muli, till next time. Phrases you may use in the market. Ano yan? What is that? The object is near or beside the person asking to. Ano yun? What is that? The object is far from both the speaker and the person asking to. Magkano? How much? Magkano kada piraso? Or magkano bawat isa? How much a per piece? Pabili ng, may I buy? Gusto ko ng, I like. Ayoko ng contracted, I don't like. Meron po ba kayo ng, do you have a? Phrases you can use when you ride in a public vehicles. Pwede magtanong, may I ask a question? Saan dito ang, where is? Magkano pamasahe? How much is the fare? Pakibagalan ang pagsasalita mo. Talk slowly please. Nasaan na tayo ngayon? Where are we now? Pwede mo ako samahan? Do you mind if you accompany me? Para. Stop. Diyan po sa tabi. Stop at the side of the road. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, share my channel for more lesson to come. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!